Meet the sneeze champions from around the globe. These talented individuals have turned an everyday act into a flamboyant showcase. One champion, a woman from Italy, can sneeze at an astonishing 120 decibels, making it louder than a rock concert. She claims her dad used to challenge her to sneeze like a lion, and she took it to heart. Then there's a guy from Japan who can sneeze on command, turning the simplest sneeze into a theatrical performance. They practice their techniques daily, often leaving friends in stitches. Who knew that a sneeze could be one of the most entertaining talents out there?